Penis disorders. Introduction. The penis has a shaft and a glans. Select true or false. Correct. The shaft is the long body of the penis. The glans is the head or tip of the penis. Erectile problems affect the penis during an erection. Select true or false. Correct. Erectile problems may make a man unable to maintain an erection. They may also cause painful, persistent erections or curving of the penis during an erection. Is it possible to prevent balanitis? Select yes or no. Correct. Balantis can be prevented with good hygiene habits. Make sure to wash and dry the area underneath the foreskin. Penile cancer can be cured. Select true or false. Correct. Although rare, penile cancer is highly curable if caught early. Thank you for using Explain.